Montevista, and we can't wait to show you our latest listing.
And you are going to love it.
Feel the world turn into a brand new day. Watch the rising of the sun. The shadows start to run. Standing at the start of something great. See the hope that lines the sky, and we'll let it be our guide. I won't close my eyes. If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. All I know, somehow we'll see this through.
All this plus amenities, community in a great location.
Give us a call for more information.